Ansync started in 2001. At that time, I had been working for Intel Corporation in Folsom. At the time, were my own projects, things that I wanted to do, but what wasn't doing at Intel. Brings me to work each day is looking forward to working on more and more challenging things. So, as you look at the company, then the company really is a vehicle for doing more and more interesting stuff.
I mean, we've grown a little bit and we still are in very close communication. It's very convenient, say if I'm having a part machined or a circuit board made for one of my projects, I can get up, walk 10 feet and talk to the person and say, okay, look, I know it looks like this, but I really want this like this, and how did you figure this out? Okay, no, let's change it a little bit. And there's not such a communication barrier as there would be if we weren't working so close together, so that we can work through problems and get things correct really quickly.
As I started to work here, I found that we're constantly creating cool new things, and I'm the one building these. So I get to see a finished product for my work. The final assembly of a newly created project, and then it's a mixture of the actual getting this finished product in your hands and running it through said, whatever testing procedure this new product has, and find out that it's working as intended, or that everything worked out to the best thing of, okay, here's this finished product, it's working great, and now we're going to build hundreds or thousands more.
You're not really locked down to one single project, and you get to work on a lot of cool things. But here you get to work on so many different things. Typically, how it works is just when you get a project, it's basically an idea. We figure out the components and stuff that we need. We run it through our S&T team that will be able to build the board physically, which then allows us, the software team, the engineers, to work on that hardware and build out the software to the spec. And it's pretty good from the beginning to the end. It's a streamlined process.
Often, where clients think they want to go isn't the runway is a lot longer than they think, or the roadmap might be a little bumpier than they think. So we try and, before money changes hands, kind of shape their perspective and understand their position and desired outcome with real world successful use cases, and seek to see if that aligns with something that we can deliver on.
We've had the benefit of a large number of projects over the last 18 or 19 years, and there's patterns that work and of course patterns that don't. So we're looking to use recipes that we know work to make sure our customers are successful.